Element present in largest amount in human body is oxygen. The study of life of one's individual is called biography. Who discovered the law of attraction and repulsion in electric charges? Coulomb. Fourth state of matter is plasma. Our brain demands the most. Glucose, which is used an electrode in dry cell. Graphite. The average heartbeat per minute in a normal man is 70. The sunlight can reach a depth of dash meters in the ocean. 200 meters. The term aqua means water. The speed of sound is fastest in solids, a metal that is liquid at room temperature. Mercury. Who discovered the vaccine? Edward Jenner. The study of tissues is called histology. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Life of red blood cells dash days. 120 days. Which of the following is a neutral particle? Neutron. Study of bacteria in biology is called microbiology. The number of bones in a newborn baby is 300. The light from the sun reaches to earth is 8 minutes 20 seconds. Which of the following in the eye is similar to film in camera? Retina.